Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is ruthless. It is pronounced ruthless and spelt R-U-T-H-L-E-S-S. Think Ruth and then less. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we are here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Ruthless means cruel and without pity or remorse. It's a great way to describe someone who is willing to do whatever it takes to achieve their goals without caring about the consequences or how it affects others. For example, you could say the tyrannical king was known for his ruthless tactics, or she ruthlessly pushed him aside. The word ruthless comes from the Old English ruth, which means compassion, and the suffix less, meaning without. So ruthless essentially means without pity or merciless. Can you think of any particularly ruthless characters? How about in The Lion King, where Scar is depicted as a ruthless, cunning brother in pursuit of power, even killing his own brother in order to become king. Synonyms for ruthless are cruel, heartless, merciless, and pitiless. Antonyms for ruthless include compassionate, kind, and considerate. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, ruthless. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.